Life is what you make it, I prefer you not to fake it. To the top is where we take it, I'm just bringing home the bacon. Don't ever miss a take, what can I say, I'm not mistaken. They say I got the sauce, the recipe is Cajun. Salad and I'm dressing, being valid is a blessing. I'm the one, no second guessing, problem solver to them questions. L's is only lessons, they think I'm moving weight from all the ways that I was flexing. Gotta keep it clean, they know I'm not the one to mess with. Wake up in the morning, then I eat a beef for breakfast. Nike stock job, got some checks on my checklist. Walk up in the spot without them ever checking guest list. I got this perfect.
Look at me now, look where I came from. To make it this far, I had to change some of what I thought you thought of me. Yeah, heavy lies the crown that I wear now. They swore they never cared, but they care now. And where I come from will never change. Look at me now.
I'm giving them gold when I give them these bars. For anybody, soft served or deliver it hard. Like going apes with bananas just to peel them apart. But I'm more of a letting it go and give them to God. See, I'd rather start me a business than get me a job. Sometimes you start from the bottom to get to the top. You gotta plant you a seed to pick you a crop and overcome anything that's trying to get you to stop.
Look at me now, look where I came from. To make it this far, I had to change some of what I thought you thought of me. Yeah, heavy lies the crown that I wear now. They swore they never cared, but they care now. And where I come from will never change.